Meow! Welcome to Snacklandia. Our national food is fish, and this is our flag. Okay, Snacklandia might be a completely made-up country, but that drawing of a giant fish does the same job as a real flag. It tells a story about who lives there and what they care about. A flag is a colorful piece of cloth that stands for a specific group of people, like a sports team, a school club, or an entire country. There are different flags for groups all over the world, and each one is different from the next. Ha! Every flag tells a story, kitty. Let's find out why countries have flags. A flag is a symbol. That means its colors and pictures actually mean something. Flags use symbols to tell these stories. A symbol is a picture or a color that stands for a bigger idea. Every shape, color, and line on a flag is placed there for a specific reason. We can see how this works by looking at the flag of the United States. There are exactly 50 stars inside this blue rectangle. Each one of those 50 stars stands for one of the 50 states that make up the country today. Below the stars are 13 red and white stripes. These stand for the first 13 colonies that originally started the United States a long time ago. In fact, early versions of the flag only had 13 stars arranged in a circle to match those first 13 colonies. By simply counting the shapes and colors on a flag, you can understand a country's history and how it is organized. Canada uses a red maple leaf on their flag because it is their most famous tree. Japan's flag is very different. It features a simple red circle on a white background, which stands for the sun. A moment of wonder. There are about 195 countries in the world today. Out of all those countries, no two national flags are exactly the same. Since every country has its own unique story and culture, they each have their own unique flag to tell it. Now that you know how flags work, it is time for a challenge. First question: what do the 50 stars on the United States flag stand for? You got it. They represent the 50 states. Second question: what kind of leaf is in the middle of Canada's flag? That is right. It is a maple leaf. Bonus points. Some people spend their whole lives studying flags, a science called Vexillology, which is like being a historian who only reads stories told in cloth. You completely aced the challenge. Hit that red subscribe button to join the lab crew and keep exploring with us. When you see a flag waving today, remember that every color and shape you see is telling a real story. A flag is a symbol. Its designs have deep meaning.